Hello everyone, welcome to About Studies. Now we are going to discuss the chromosome and its types. Before going to know the types of chromosomes, let us have a brief introduction regarding chromosome. What is chromosome? The simple definition of chromosome can be given as any genetic material, whether it is DNA or RNA, is called as chromosome. Here is the typical structure of a chromosome. In this chromosome we have three parts, mainly three parts. They are chromosomal arms, centromere and telomere. The genetic material is compacted in the form of arms, here as seen here. The central structure of chromosome is known as centromere. Now in the later we are going to discuss in detail about the centromere and its position. The end part, the final ultimate parts of chromosome are telomeres. This is the structure of chromosome. Now, what is chromatin? What is chromatin? Any localized portion, any part of chromosome is called as chromatin. It means at any part, whether it is here or here, and any portion, if we take any portion in the chromosome, there the chromatin is present. And that's why we can say chromosomes are composed of chromatin, or chromosomes are made up of chromatin. At every part of the chromosome, chromatins are present. So, and that's why the chromatins are the major part in chromosome. Now let us know the arms. There are two arms in chromosome. One is P arm and Q arm. Generally, P arm is smaller and Q arm is bigger. We'll learn this in a few minutes. Here there are two types of chromosomes. One is unreplicated, and this is replicated and full-fledged chromosome. An unreplicated chromosome will be looking like this, whereas a full-fledged and replicated chromosome will be having the two arms called sister chromatids. Whereas these sister chromatids, these parts, are absent in unreplicated chromosome. Now let us learn the types of chromosome based on the centromere position. Based on the position of centromere, there are four types of chromosomes. They are metacentric chromosome, submetacentric chromosome, echocentric chromosome, and telocentric chromosome. Firstly, what is metacentric chromosome? In metacentric chromosome, the centromere is present exactly at the center of the chromosome. And during cell division, this metacentric chromosome is seen in V shape, like this. Later the spindle fibers attaches and that process will be occurred, and during cell division the V-shaped chromosome is observed. If V shape is observed, it is called as metacentric chromosome. Next, coming to the submetacentric chromosome, it is different to the metacentric. Why? Because in metacentric the centromere is present exactly at the center, whereas here the centromere is not exactly at the center but near to the center. And because of that, two arms are divided in different measurements. One is P arm and one is Q arm. The smaller arm and the larger arm are differentiated. The smaller arm is called as P arm and the larger arm is called Q arm. And during cell division, particularly in anaphase, L-shaped submetacentric chromosome is seen under a microscope. Next, coming to the third type, echocentric chromosome. In echocentric chromosome, the centromere is present at the end but not at the extreme end. Because of that, the one arm is seen like a very small one, and the another arm is big or larger one. This kind of echocentric chromosome is present in humans, particularly in chromosome 13, 14, 15 and Y chromosomes, etc. All these are the examples of echocentric chromosomes. Next, and the final type of chromosome is telocentric chromosome. Here the centromere is present at completely and extremely end part of the chromosome, and that leads to the absence of one arm. In telocentric chromosome we have only one arm, like this, and this kind of chromosome is absent in humans, whereas echocentric chromosome are present in humans. Yes, during anaphase or during cell division, I-shaped structure is seen. for telocentric chromosome. These are the types of chromosome based on the centromere position. Hoping you have understood this video. This is the gist and summary of the lecture. Thank you, friends.